In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and open an Excel file in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be confident taking a spreadsheet from your computer and working with it directly in Google Sheets, all inside your browser. First, open your preferred web browser and go to drive.google.com. This takes you to Google Drive, the place where your files live in the cloud. If you're not already signed in, your browser may prompt you to log in before you can continue. Once you're in Drive, you'll see your folders and files, plus a panel on the left side. Look to the top left and click the New button. It usually has a plus sign and the word New. This opens a small menu that lets you bring new content into Drive. From that menu, choose File Upload. This option is for sending a single file from your computer up to your Drive. A file picker window will appear. Navigate to where your Excel file is stored on your computer. You can upload either .xlsx or XLS formats. Both are supported. Select the spreadsheet you want, then click Open. If the file is large or your connection is slow, give it a moment. You'll see an upload progress indicator so you know it's working. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the file appear in your My Drive or in the folder you had open. If you just uploaded it, it will typically show up near the top of your recent files. Now, right-click the uploaded Excel file. In the menu that appears, hover over Open With, and then choose Google Sheets. This tells Drive to launch the spreadsheet in the Google Sheets editor. Google Sheets will convert your Excel file into a Google Sheets format so you can edit it right in your browser. The conversion is quick, and your editing is saved automatically as you go. Most standard worksheets, formatting, and formulas carry over smoothly. If your Excel file uses very advanced features, you may notice small differences, but the original Excel file you uploaded remains in your Drive unchanged, so you always have a copy to fall back on. That's all there is to it. You opened Google Drive, uploaded your Excel file, and then opened it with Google Sheets. From here, you can make edits, apply formatting, and collaborate in real time if you share the document. When you're done, simply close the tab. Your changes are already saved. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with your spreadsheets in Google Sheets.